Hi everybody, I'm Michael and welcome to Hidden in Plain Sight. Today we're at the Montrose Bowl in Montrose, California. This jewel of a retro bowling alley is one of the oldest and smallest in the Los Angeles area. Opening in 1936, this 8-lane bowling alley features the original hardwood floors. It's been owned by the Berger family since 1982, and now the Montrose Bowl is a party and event venue and film location and is not open to the general public. Star sightings are frequent as it's a favorite of Hollywood stars for events and parties. We attended a party hosted by the Friends of Rockhaven and were afforded a look not generally seen by the public. The first production to use this location was the 1985 movie Teen Wolf, starring Michael J. Fox. The Montrose Bowl then became the New York bowling alley where Al Pacino and Michelle Pfeiffer hung out in 1991's Frankie and Johnny, and then was used in the made-for-TV movie Too Young to Die, starring a then-unknown Brad Pitt. The interior was changed for the filming of the 1998 movie Pleasantville as the bowling alley J.T. Walsh and William H. Macy frequent. A lot of the changes were left up after filming, so you may notice if you've seen the movie. Looking at the autographed celebrity pictures adorning the walls, you see a veritable who's who of the last 30 years of Hollywood film and television history. This is hands down the coolest bowling alley I've ever seen. Thanks so much to Joanna and the Friends of Rockhaven for giving us this rare look at this jewel of a historic bowling alley, hidden in plain sight. All right, everybody, that's our video for tonight about the Montrose Bowl. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel below for more videos in the future. See you next time with Hidden in Plain Sight.